Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change the banners on your League of Legends account. So at first, all you have to do is launch your game through the Riot client. And as you launch your game, it takes a while to load, so all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is just look for your profile picture. And as you see it, just click on that profile picture right here. And as you do that, you can see the option banners right here and just select this. And as you select it, you can see the list of banners right here that you can change into. So you just have to unlock it by playing the game. So guys, that's how you change the banners on your League of Legends account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.